I think my favorite Marine Corps leadership trait is to know yourself and seek self-improvement. And I stay true to that. I am constantly refining myself, and I'm constantly pushing and challenging myself to reach those goals and those dreams for my family and for myself. My name is Bruce Calderon, and I was a sergeant in the United States Marine Corps.
Semper Cares is a program we started every Memorial Day and Veterans Day and 4th of July. We try and do a home improvement project for a veteran. Sometimes we'll do a solar system, roofing, air conditioning. It means a lot to us to be able to give back to our military and let them know that we really appreciate what they did for us.
An honor to meet you.
Honor to meet you. So when were you in the Corps?
2011 to 2016, I joined right out of high school.
You did?
I was 17 years old when I enlisted in the United States Marine Corps, and it was a life-changing experience. I was ecstatic when I found out that I would be receiving solar panels. And I think I felt even better with the professionalism of the Semper Solaris team. Having solar now is life-changing. Not only will it offset the costs associated with the high energy bills that I used to have, I'm now able to power my entire home. My family will greatly benefit from solar. I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart John Almond and Kelly Shawhan for this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I would 100% recommend Semper Solaris to my friends, families, and neighbors. There is no better solar company out there. Really appreciative of your company, of the efforts that your subordinates put in, and the professionalism that you guys carry on. And I could tell that was from the United States Marine Corps.
I'm glad we could help you out, Marine. And Semper Fi.
Semper Fi.
And you keep doing what you're doing, man. I got a feeling you're always gonna look like a Marine.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I hope so.